The most frequently asked question is that the bobbin doesn't move. The reason for this problem is that the bobbin holder moves a little bit. You can use the screwdriver to take out the two screws. Replace the bobbin holder to the right position. Let's take out the two screws. Lift the needle before you take out the cover. Take out the bobbin holder. This is the bobbin holder. When you put back the bobbin holder, this line should be parallel to the line on the side. Now it's working. Put back the cover. Let's see if the problem has been solved. Take the thread from the top, turn the wheel, the needle goes down. The thread from the bottom comes out. Now fasten the cover with screws. Now let's try again with the piece of cloth.